and have a look around all these ramparts. Open. So all this was like, had a big gun turret on the top, and all these places like this was where they stored all the ammunition. So they had big blast doors on them in case it got hit. So have a little look around here. On top of here they used to have a massive gun. So each one of these had stored all the weapons, and there's where the gun turret was. A big massive gun what they could fire over the Humber. Do you see, look, Pen?
Yeah.
So each one of these had all the weapons and all the bullets in it and whatever they had, the ammunition, what they had to fire out. So you can't really go anywhere else here, so we'll have to go back down. But this was a massive...
dead end up there.
Yeah, so we'll just have a look. Now we're going underneath where they used to store all the ammunition and all the people used to live. They haven't been in here for a long time. Well, they've done it out though, quite nice. They've painted it open.
It looks cold and smelly.
Oh, it's dark as well.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah.
So, looking at there, that bit there, look, is where they used to put the bullets in, the big main, and they've went up for the chill block.
What's that?
It's just a room, what you can go in.
But it's dark.
Yeah, and then this was another one. Yeah, it's dark here. Look. And also, look, Ben, this is where they used to pass it through as well.
This is not what I thought it was.
Let me just have a look at that. I've got to show people this, look. So they literally used to put the bullets, the actual, not the bullets, but yeah, the actual, I can't remember what they call them now, but you know what I mean. And they put them on there, and then they'd winch them up. And now we'll go to the other side over here. I used to come in here when I was a kid. We used to sneak in here. And this is another part where they would have stored ammunition in here and they would have passed it through these doors, arches. I don't know where you've just gone, Pen. And that's it, that's another room, a storage room. They've been doing it out. Now we're going to go and see if we can go to the big tunnel. And that's the original bouncing bomb. No, it isn't. Oh, there we go, some more ramparts. And then this is the one where you go down. There's one of them, there's another tunnel, I think this is the one. So, more where they had another gun on the top there, look, Pen. And then you go down here now. I don't think this, oh, this is a big tunnel, yeah. This is where, you know, this is where we went, this is where me and Kenneth and we used to roll them drums down, and like, it was like, what's the name of it? Donkey Kong. Going down the tunnel, look. We used to roll them and then get thinking, but we want no lights down here when we come down here. And the big gates here. Yep. No, you have to come back. It's real cold now. It's really cold, isn't it? Isn't it? The coldest on the wall when you come down here.
Why is it so cold now?
Because it's underground. And they might have actually left some of the stuff here, but you remember when they used to have it all kitted out?
Yeah,
And then,
for men
yeah.
and army people.
Well, that's showing you there, look, how they used to winch all the ammunition up. And then pass it through. Oh, they've still got one of the old couple of... Look at these men here, look. You've got a couple of them here, look. He's got a German uniform on. It's not thinking, but he's got a German uniform on, he has. There you are, it says about it there, look. What's that say? Let's see if we can get it to focus. The 2nd Division, in memory of the men of the 2nd Division who fell in the Battle of the something, I can't remember what it says. And the fight of the... Literally, you can see all the little ramparts up here and that. And now it goes all the way around. You can't get in there now. But we used to climb around all this when I was kids. Anyway, Penny's going back up there, she's scared. He's scared, Pen! Legs are killing her, because it is quite thingy going up all these. But again, look, this had another massive gun on here. Well, hopefully I might be able to see across the umber. Not too sure, yep, you can see the umber up here. You've got the opposite side of that. Don't know what they've got that side. But there's the umber. So there was one gun facing that way, there wouldn't have been them trees there. And then the other gun here, look, one turret facing right across the water so they could shoot any ships. So what I might do is get my drone up, have a little fly-zy. No, I don't know what they've got down there. Must have climbed over that fence. I could set the drone here and fly off, I reckon.
Take me back to California. I wanna go back to 2018. I wanna go back to when I was happy. So take me back to California, please. Take me back.
Very nice. A Subaru. Oh, look at this. Who remembers this off a film? Eh? Cannonball Run. Who remembers Cannonball Run here? And this is the car. What they used to use in Cannonball Run, but it's not the real one. But it's a similar type. Toyota Roadster. Wow.
Yeah.
For an
Went and
engine.
bought a spare and 47 quid and I've still got it at home. I put it on eBay and I didn't get a bid
I'd
on
like to
it.
work on that
I
one.
put it on
did you?
eBay and I didn't get
How
a
did you
bid.
get in there?
And it was 40 odd quid. I've got bill for it and I've still got it in box at home. I don't know where it is now, but I've got it. That's what I did. Didn't get a bid.
Boxer engine.
Didn't get a bid. I put it started it at 15 quid.
I don't like that. We'll finish off with that. Anyway, Ninja Man out. Penny's had to go back to the car. She's needs to go to the toilet and that, so we're off now. Nice car show, and got some drone footage of upstairs, so that'll be good. I never got a chance to go on the bouncy castle. Oh well.